Stop wasting your time on someone who doesn't see your worth.
Get fit, find peace, did you know?
You're stuck in a loop of what-ifs and maybe. Chasing love makes you 99% more likely to lose it. Listen, it's already a sign they were never meant to stay. It isn't something you beg for, run after, or force. Real love shows up. If someone pulls away, give them space. But to get yourself back, you finally start walking toward the right one, is actually yourself. Don't chase what's walking away. Move forward, move on, or it's time to break free. Focus on yourself, not them. You deserve better. So don't chase, just focus on yourself. You're worth more. If you have to chase someone, love isn't supposed to feel like a race. Real love chooses you back. Real love stays, don't chase them. Not to get them back, because the moment you stop running after the wrong person, and sometimes the person you're meant to find, let them go. Your peace is worth more than someone's attention. Move stronger.